Good morning, children. Welcome in today's class. Let's have a quick recap of what we studied in the previous class. In the previous class, we studied about the internal organ, brain. So you all know that brain is a soft and delicate organ which is protected by a hard skull. It is made up of bones. The skull is made up of bones. Then brain gives signal to different body parts to work. We think and react to different situations, and it is controlled by our brain. All the information is stored in the brain. Brain is also known as command center or control center or CPU of the body. Next we discussed heart. So you all know that heart is a muscular organ about the size of a fist. The heart pumps blood through the network of arteries and veins. Arteries and veins, they are the nerves and they are spread all over the body. Arteries carries oxygenated blood and veins carries deoxygenated blood. What does it mean? Arteries carries blood which is rich in oxygen, and this blood is transferred or is circulated from heart to different body organs. And veins, they collect deoxygenated blood or the blood which is low in oxygen from different body parts, and this blood is sent to heart again. So this circulation of blood from different body organs to heart and from heart to different body organs is called circulation of blood, and the system which is responsible for circulation of blood is called circulatory system. Now let's move to the next topic, which is lungs. Children, lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organs. They are located on either side of the chest. Now what is the function of this lung? See, through our nose we breathe in air. Air is mixture of many gases, and for our survival we need only oxygen. So when air enters in our body, then it consists of or it contains many gases, dust particles and other substance. From there, this air from this air passes through the windpipe, and when it reaches to our lungs, from there oxygen is absorbed from the air. जो lungs होते हैं वो ऑक्सीजन को absorb करते हैं from the air. Then carbon dioxide and other gases, they are thrown out of the body through nose. So when we breathe in, our lungs expand. हमारे लंग्स क्या होते हैं, वो फूल जाते हैं. एंड यू कैन फील इट व्हेन वी ब्रीद इन. तो हमारा जो चेस्ट है वो आपको बाहर की ओर आता दिखेगा, और जैसे ही हम ब्रीद आउट करते हैं, व्हेन वी थ्रो अदर गैसेस, डस्ट पार्टिकल एक्सेट्रा आउट ऑफ आवर बॉडी, तो हमारा जो लंग है वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करता है, छोटा होता है. So this process of inhaling air and exhaling air is called breathing. Taking in and giving out gases. So which gas we take in? We take in mixture of many gases. From there oxygen is absorbed by the lungs, and this oxygen is sent to various parts of the body through blood. And then carbon dioxide is thrown out through nose. So This is how our body uh, or the lungs function. Now, you can't hold your breath for more than 30 or 40 seconds. इससे ज़्यादा जब आप होल्ड करते हैं अपनी सांस को, आपको सफोकेशन फील होता है. Whenever we do exercise, running और any physical activity, तो हमारा जो ब्रीदिंग होती है वो फ्रीक्वेंट हो जाती है, बहुत जल्दी जल्दी हम ब्रीथ करते हैं. सो वी इनहेल एयर एंड वी एक्सहेल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो दिस होल प्रोसेस, ये जो आपका पूरा इनहेलिंग और एक्सहेलिंग ऑफ गैसेस है, this is done by our lungs, and the oxygen which is absorbed from the air by the lungs, they are transferred or they are sent to various parts of the body through blood. Now breathe deeply. Can you feel your chest moving up and down? This happens because of the lungs. So they are spongy air filled bags. आप lungs को क्या कहते हैं? Spongy air filled bags, which helps us to absorb oxygen from the air we breathe in. Then this oxygen is sent to various parts of the body through blood. The carbon dioxide is removed from the blood in lungs. It then throws out carbon dioxide through nose. Do you know that the lung on the left side is a bit smaller than the right one because it has to make space for heart to fit in your chest? So there is a slight difference or a very small difference in the left lung and the right lungs. Children, just like circulatory system which is responsible for circulation of blood in the body, there is respiratory system which is responsible for supply of oxygen in the body. Our body gets oxygen from the air we breathe. So how this respiratory system works? When we breathe in, air is inhaled or air goes through the nose and mouth. Then air passes through the nose, is warmed and filtered. This air passes through the windpipe and goes to the lungs. Towards the end, the windpipe branches into two pipes called bronchi, and the air enters in the lungs. There, the air passes through these tubes and is absorbed into the billions of air sacs that make up the lungs. There are small air sacs in the lungs which absorb oxygen from the air, and then they are also responsible for taking or removing carbon dioxide and other gases which is not useful for us, जो हमारे लिए किसी काम की नहीं है, and it is waste. So the waste carbon dioxide from the blood passes into the air sacs from where it is exhaled or thrown out of the body. Did you know if the lungs were completely opened up and spread an area equal to that of a tennis court? I hope the functioning of lungs and respiratory system is clear to you all. We'll move to the next organ in our next class. Go through the video again and read the paragraph from the book. That's all for today's class, children. Have a good day.